Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by collecting the SSD, a SATA data cable, and an open SATA power connector from your power supply. If none, use a SATA or USB adapter. Once done, power off the PC, unplug it, and ground yourself. Static kills drives. Next, remove the case panel and identify a 2.5-inch mounting spot or a 3.5-inch adapter bracket. Make sure you can reach an open SATA port on the motherboard. That port is where the data cable will plug in when you begin the install. Now mount the SSD into its bay or bracket and fasten it with screws, but don't over-tighten. Gentle, firm pressure is enough. Then route and attach the SATA data cable, one end into the SSD's SATA data socket and the other into the chosen motherboard SATA port. Note the port number in case you need BIOS settings. After that, connect the SATA power connector from the power supply to the SSD, ensuring the latch seats. Tidy cables to preserve airflow and prevent accidental unplugging, while you power up the PC and enter BIOS or UEFI to verify the motherboard detects the SSD. Set boot order if you plan to install an OS. Once the OS boots, open Disk Management to initialize the drive, create a partition, and format it to NTFS or XFAT depending on use. If the drive does not appear, shut down and reset both data and power cables, try a different SATA port, and test the SSD with a SATA or USB adapter to isolate cable versus drive failure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.